5 Best Vacuum Cleaner. MEIDI Car Vacuum 12 volts 106 watts. MEIDI Car Vacuum 12 volts 106 watts Wet and Dry Dual Use Car Vacuum Cleaner Portable Car Handheld Vacuum Cleaner 14.7 FT 5 Power Cord. Brand name, MEIDI. Item type, vacuum cleaner. Item width, 11 cm. Material type, ABS plus PC. External testing certification, CCC. Car Vacuum Cleaner 120 watts Portable Handheld. Voltage, DC 12 volts. Power source, car cigarette lighter. Cable length, 5 meters, 16 feet dual-use vacuum cleaner, wet and dry amphibious car vacuum cleaner, DC 12 volt used directly from the car lighter socket. The power cord of this handheld auto vacuum cleaner is 5 meters/16 feet, you can clean all parts of the car. Car Styling Vacuum 12 volts Auto Vacuum Cleaner. 100% brand new with great quality. With connector to thoroughly clean the inside. Quickly clean tiny sundry in the car. Dry and wet application, combination of 2 functions. With brush to clean away dust. The vacuum continuously for 15 minutes, must turn it off to make it have rest, and can use it only after it is cooled. Car Vacuum Cleaner 120 watts Portable. Quality assurance, our car vacuum will be tested pre-delivery, turbine pressure machine, power stability and never weaken, double air outlet grade heat dissipation function, longer working life less material consumption. Dual use handheld vacuum, wet and dry amphibious car vacuum cleaner, DC 12 volt used directly from the car lighter socket. Portable car vacuum cleaner wet and dry. Item No, MKS. Power, 12 volts, 120 watts. Length, 500 centimeters. Size, 35 x 9 8.5 centimeters. Weight, 850 grams. Vacuum degree, 4000 Pa. Color, orange, blue, black. The vacuum comes with a filter inside, and we will gift you an extra filter. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.